Over the years, phones have been getting better and better, but somehow switching the phone off has been getting more and more difficult. Maybe because phone manufacturers don't want you to ever switch them off. Today, we'll go through a few ways of powering off the Samsung Galaxy A54, a recent mid-range device from Samsung, and how to permanently make it easier. And the basic way to do it is to hold the side button, aka the Bixby button, and volume down for a few seconds. From there, you can either power the phone off, restart it, or make an emergency call. From One UI software, you can open the notification shade and pull it down further, and you'll have the power button at the top there, quite convenient. The way Samsung would love you to do it is using Bixby. Press and hold the side button, and still holding it, say something like power off or switch the phone off. Power off. Switch the phone off. You can also wake it up with a voice command. Hey Bixby, switch the phone off.
Shall I turn it off?
No.
Okay, I won't do it.
Rather awkward around people, and I don't think I'd ever use it. The proper way to do it, however, is to replace Bixby with power off functionality. To do that, the fastest way is to hold the side button and volume down again, as before, and you'll get the side key settings. In there, you can change the double button press functionality. Normally, it opens the camera app, but you can set it to any other app. But more importantly, you can change the long press functionality from Bixby to the power off menu. Now you can just hold the side button and switch it off. Alternatively, you can also go to the settings and type power or side button, and you'll get to the same menu. The exact same methods should work on other Samsung devices, like last year's Samsung Galaxy A53, which we also recently compared with this year's model. That's it for this quick Samsung A54 tutorial. We have a lot of other videos for you, so make sure to check them out and subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks for more videos from us. Let us know if this was helpful or if we missed any other methods. But for now, thanks for watching